What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to generate personalized cold email scripts automatically by creating a simple workflow in N8N. Let's get started. In N8N, I've created a workflow that I've renamed to personalized cold email generator. And here, we're going to add a trigger. I'll click on here to add a manual trigger for here. To scrape the leads from LinkedIn, we're going to use a third-party tool to scrape the leads from LinkedIn. To scrape the leads from LinkedIn, I'm going to use this tool called Apify. Apify is an incredible tool that you can use to scrape any website and automate projects. To get 30% off your first subscription of this tool, just click the link down below in the description. Proceed to create an account in Apify, and after creating an account in Apify, head over to Apify store. Here, we're going to search for the website that we'd like to scrape. In our case, we'd like to scrape LinkedIn profile. So here, I'm going to search for LinkedIn profile scraper and click on search. Here you can see we have over 400 tools that we can use to scrape LinkedIn profiles. I'm going to use this tool over here that doesn't require any cookies. So I'll open this tool on a new tab. And this is the tool that we're going to use to scrape LinkedIn profiles. Now all we have to do is add the LinkedIn profile URLs of the leads that we'd like to scrape over here. So here we can try to scrape the LinkedIn profiles of these two example leads over here. To do that, I'll click on start. Here, I'll click on output. You can see our actor is getting our data. Let's give it a second. We can see our tool succeeded in scraping the two LinkedIn profile right here. So here we successfully scraped the two LinkedIn profiles. We got the about section, the country, the address, and the fund of their companies, company history, company LinkedIn name, company size, company website, emails, experience, first and last name, headline, job title, interest, languages, last name, LinkedIn URL, mobile number, organization, profile URL, and all this relevant information that we scraped from their LinkedIn profile over here. This is incredible. Now to preview all this data that we just scraped from these LinkedIn profiles, I'll click on API right here. Then I'll scroll where it says get dataset item. Then I'll copy this URL. And then I'll go back to our workflow. And then here, I'll search for HTTP request node. Then click on it right here. And then here, I'll paste the URL that we just copied and click on execute step. And here, you can see that our node was executed successfully. And here you can preview all the data that we scraped from our profile over here. So we scraped all this data from their profile right here. So we scraped their name, LinkedIn URL, connections, followers, email, job title, company name, company size, all this relevant information of our lead over here. This is incredible. Now, instead of having to manually scrape the leads over here using this tool in Apify, then copying the dataset ID and coming and pasting it right here and executing it manually so we can get the profile data, we can automatically scrape the LinkedIn profiles right here in our workflow. So to do that, I'll clear this URL that we just pasted right here, and then I'll open Apify's documentation. And then here, I'll scroll down below to find the API that we like to call. In our case, we like to run an actor. So here, I'll click on run actor synchronously with input and get dataset items. Then here, I'll copy this URL, and then I'll go back to our workflow, and then I'll click on import URL and paste this URL that we just copied right here and click on import. Now here, we're going to add 3 items. The first item that we're going to add is the actor ID. Second item that we're going to add is the token, and the last item that we're going to add is the JSON right here. Let's start by adding the actor ID right here. To get the actor ID, I'll go back to our tool, click on it, and then on the search URL, I'm going to copy the unique ID of this tool. Remember, the unique actor ID is in the search URL, so I'll copy it and paste it right here. And the next thing that we're going to add is the token over here. To get our token, I'll go back to Apify, then click on settings, then click on API and integrations. Here, I'm going to click on create a new token, and here I'm going to give it a description and call it test. Then here I'll click on create to create our token. And after we created our token, I'm going to copy it and come and paste it over here. Now the last thing that we're going to add is our JSON. So here it says specify body. I'm going to click on using JSON, and here we're going to paste our JSON. To get our JSON, I'll click on back to our tool, and where it says manual and JSON, click on JSON. And here I'm going to copy this JSON right here and go back to our workflow and paste it over here. So we like to scrape these two profiles over here automatically using our workflow. So to do that, I'll click on execute step over here. You can see it's executing our node. Let's give it a second. Here you can see our node was executed successfully. And here we're getting the LinkedIn profile data that we scraped from these two profiles over here. So we're getting all this data from the LinkedIn profile over here. So our node works perfectly. So I'll click on back to canvas, and here I rename this to LinkedIn profile scraper. And then here I'll click on rename. Now the next thing we can do here is we can wait a few seconds to generate our cold emails from our scraped LinkedIn profile data. So here I rename this to wait 5 seconds. Then here I'll click on rename. And now to generate the personalized cold emails for our leads right here that we scraped using Apify, we're going to use an AI tool. So in AI, I'm going to click on Open AI. Then here I'll click on Message Model. Here I'll click on back to canvas, and we can execute this node here. Here we're going to add a think tool that we're going to use to generate our cold emails. So here I'll search for a think tool and add it right here. Here I'll click on back to canvas. You can save this. Now here I'll open this node. Here you'll need to create a credential between your OpenAI and N8N. Clicking on create a new credential, and here add your API key from your OpenAI API. Then click on save to create your credential. Since I had already done that, I'm going to close it and come over here and choose our model. I'm going to choose GPT 4.1 mini. Here we're going to add a prompt for the system role over here by clicking on expression, and I'll expand this right here to add a system prompt. The prompt could be on the lines of, you are a world-class cold email copywriter that writes hyper-personalized, fast-touch cold emails based on the data scraped from your leads, LinkedIn profile, and company website. So here I'll click on back to canvas. Now we can add a prompt for the user role. To do that, I'll click on expression and then expand it right here to add the prompt right here. Prompt could be on the lines of, using the provided scrape data and the think tool, generate a scroll-stopping subject line that feels personal and relevant to a personalized cold email, maximum of 120 words, that includes a custom, relevant opening line that shows real familiarity with the recipient's background on recent activity, a clear value proposition, and an irresistible offer tailored to the automation services we offer at our agency. So here you can add your service and your company name right here. A soft, non-pushy call to action to start a conversation in a friendly, human, and non-salesy tone. And here we're adding our script data, we're adding the leads, full name, LinkedIn URL, headline, about section, company website, company LinkedIn URL, and their company name right here. Generate our call email scripts. Then here we're telling the agent, always sign off as Peter Marshall at Luxe Automation. Do not split their full name. Here I'll click on back to canvas. Then I'll click on execute save to generate our call email scripts from this profile data that we scraped from these leads LinkedIn accounts. Here you can see it's generating for us this output right here. But we forgot one last thing. We forgot to output our content as a JSON. So we can output a subject line and our email body as a JSON. So here, turn this to on, then click on execute step right here. Now you can see that our node was executed successfully, and now we are outputting our subject line and our email body over here. This is incredible. I'll click on back to canvas right here, and then I'll rename this to whole email generator, then click on rename right here. So now to preview our emails, we can preview it by adding it to a spreadsheet. So here, I'll first of all wait for a few seconds to avoid overwhelming Google Sheet. So here you can wait, let's say 3 seconds. Here I can rename this to wait 3 seconds. And here I'll click on rename. Now I'll execute this node right here. Now we can proceed to add our call email scripts to a spreadsheet. In Google Sheet, I've created a spreadsheet that I've renamed to call outreach spreadsheet. Here, well, in this sheet, we're going to add their full name, the email, company website, headline, LinkedIn URL, personalized subject line, and the personalized call email body right here. So to add our call email to this spreadsheet, go back to our workflow and search for Google Sheets right here. Click on it, and then here click on append in sheet. Here you'll need to also create a new credential like we did with OpenAI by signing in with a Google account. Then on the new window that pops up, choose the account that you'd like to connect to N8N and click on save, and your credential will be created. Since I had already done that, I'm going to close this, and here I'm going to find our document, which is this document right here. And then here, I'm going to find our sheet, which is this sheet right here. And then here we're going to map values to our columns in our spreadsheet with the data that we scraped using Apify. So for their full name, we're going to add their full name right here. For their email, we're going to add their email right here. For their company website, we're going to map their company website right here. For the headline, we're going to drag the headline right here. LinkedIn URL, we're going to map the LinkedIn URL right here. Now for the personalized subject line and the personalized email, I'm going to map it over here, respectively. Now to add these data to our spreadsheet, I'll click on execute step right here. And it's executing our node. And yeah, and our node was executed successfully. We successfully added our two leads over here to our spreadsheet. So we added their full name, email, company website, headline, LinkedIn URL, personalized subject line, and the cold email bodies over here. So here you can take a look at the personalized subject line that we generated for each of our leads. So the first lead, we're saying streamlining impact at Gates Foundation with smart automation. And here's a cold email that we are going to send them via an outreach campaign. So we're saying, hey, Bill Gates, I admire your dedication to global change through the Gates Foundation and breakthrough energy. At Luxe Automation, we specialize in helping visionary leaders like you streamline operations and communication so you can focus even more on your transformative initiatives. Imagine freeing up your team's time by automating routine workflows, allowing greater focus on innovation and impact without additional workload. Would you be open to a brief chat to explore how we might support your mission? Best regards, Peter. It's an incredibly personalized cold email. The other lead, here's your subject line. We're telling them streamlining service coordination at Chandler Engineering. And these are cold emails that we generate using our workflow that we can send them via an outreach campaign. So we're saying, hi, Jenny. I noticed your role as service coordinator at this company. Managing all those moving parts must keep you busy. At Luxe Automation, we help professionals like you automate scheduling and communication, easing the load and making service operations smoother and more responsive. I'd love to share a few ideas on how automation could reduce manual tasks for your team. Would you be open to a quick chat sometime next week? Best regards, Peter. So these are very incredibly personalized cold emails right here that we generated using our workflow over here. So here, I renamed this to personalized cold emails. And then here I'll click on rename. One thing that you'll notice is in our node right here, when I open this node, we are manually adding our LinkedIn profile URLs over here. So we can automate this part too. So to do that, in our spreadsheet, I've created another sheet that I've renamed to LinkedIn profiles over here. So here's where we're going to add the LinkedIn profiles of the leads that would like to send them cold emails over here. So here I've added our two LinkedIn profile URLs. And then now here, I'm going to unlink this over here. You can drag this over here. And then here, I'm going to find our sheet with the LinkedIn profiles. So to do that, I'm going to search for Google Sheets. Click on it right here. I'm going to click on Get Rows in Sheet Node here. And here we're going to choose our document, which is this document right here. And then here we're going to choose our sheet. I'm going to choose LinkedIn profiles sheet this time around. And then here I'll click on Execute Step. You can see we're getting our profiles over here. So here I'll click on Back to Canvas. And then here I'll rename this to LinkedIn profiles. And then I'll click on Rename right here. Open this node. Instead of having to manually input our profiles over here, and then here, what we're going to do, we're going to clear one of the profiles over here. And here, we have this one over here. We're going to add our profile URLs over here. Then I'll click on Back to Canvas right here and execute our workflow again to generate our personalized cold emails. But before we do that, I'm going to go back to our call outreach sheet and clear these sheet. So I'll delete these rows to generate new cold email scripts. So to do that, I'll click on Execute Workflow right here. You can see that our workflow is executed successfully. Here, we got our two profiles that we added to our spreadsheet. Over here, then using this node, we scrape the profile data using our tool in Apify. Then we wait a few seconds. Then using the LinkedIn profile data that we scraped using Apify, we generated these personalized cold emails for our leads over here. So we generated the subject line, this personalized cold email for each of our lead over here. Then we wait a few seconds to add the personalized cold emails to our spreadsheet. Now, when we open our spreadsheet, you can see we added their full name, the email, company website, headline, LinkedIn URL, personalized subject line, and their personalized cold email over here for each of our lead. This is incredible. We generated these cold email scripts using the simple workflow that we created right here in N8N. Now we can proceed to send them the cold emails. So to do that, here, you can see we have one of the leads without an email address right here. So here, I'll search for the if node right here. Then here, you can say if the email exists, we'd like to proceed to send them the cold email. So you can see we have one lead with the email and the other lead without the email. So here, click on back to canvas. Now we can proceed to send the lead with the email, the cold email scripts. To do that, we're going to use Gmail. Then I'll click on send a message node right here. And here we're going to add the email address. The subject line will be the subject line that we generated for them right here. Email type is going to be text. And here we're going to add the message, our email body right here as a message. And then I'll click, and then here, one last thing that we're going to do here is append N8N attribution. Then turn this to off here. Then I'll click on execute step to send this lead the cold email. You can see our node was executed successfully. And then here, I'm going to rename this to send cold emails. And then here, click on rename. And then for the false branch, I'm going to search for the do nothing node. Then click on it right here. And here we're going to do nothing if we do not have the email address over here. And click on save. I'm choosing to send them the emails via Gmail. If you're using a sending tool, a call outreach tool like Smart Lead, Instantly, or Lemlist, you can proceed to add the leads to a campaign that you'll have created on this specific tool. For example, if it's Lemlist, search for Lemlist right here. And then here, we're going to create a lead and add the lead that we scrape their profiles right here to the campaign that you created in Lemlist. But since this is just an example, we're going to choose to send the lead, the call emails via Gmail. Now to test how our workflow works, here, I'm going to clear our spreadsheet right here and assume that we have added new LinkedIn profiles right here that would like to send cold emails. So I'll go back to our workflow, then here I'll click on execute workflow. Here, you can see that our workflow was executed successfully. Here, we sourced our LinkedIn profiles. I would like to scrape their profile data to generate cold email scripts for them. Then using this node right here, we are scraping the LinkedIn profile data over here. Then we're waiting a few seconds to generate cold email scripts for the leads using their profile data that we scraped using this node right here. Then we're waiting a few seconds to add the personalized cold emails to our spreadsheet. And then if we have the leads email, we are proceeding to send them the cold emails. And if we do not have the emails, we're doing nothing. So now when I open our spreadsheet, here you can see we're adding the full name, the email, the company website, headline, URL, personalized subject line, and the cold email scripts. And then we're proceeding to send them the cold email using this node right here. So now when I open the cold emails that we're sending to one of our leads, here you can see the personalized subject line and the email body that we generated using our workflow over here. So our workflow works perfectly. Thank you for watching. Now, if you have a workflow or an AI agent that you'd like for me to create using N8N, just comment down below in the comment section. I read all the comments, and if I land on your comment and I find it intriguing, I'll come back on a future video showing you how to create the entire workflow or AI agent from scratch using N8N. But for now, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.